Hey everyone, good morning. It's time to fix the lawnmower. It broke on me while I was mowing. So I got some extra string. And here's the old handle. Looks like they just knotted it in there. Whoops. So, took the time to go ahead and find what size socket I needed. It was that famous 10 mil. Anyway, let's break this thing open. Hopefully not literally, because at some point I was in there one before and broke the bolt off at some point. It'd be okay. But let's get in there and try to fix this thing.
There you go.
Sorry. I have unplugged the spark plug just in case. I don't want to randomly start there. Shouldn't be that many turns. That one's off. We're going to stick this right in there. Got this little part here that we gotta take off. That way this case can come out. Alright everyone, we got the old string back on. So it's a lot easier than putting the new string on. Plus the new string I bought was not the right type of string. Needed like 550 cord, and that one was just straight up cotton, the one I bought. So it's best just to use the old stuff. A little bit shorter, but it'll be okay. Usually there's a little bit of excess in there. So I'll put it back together and see how it goes.
It worked!
It also has the added advantage of being shorter, so it's just a short tug.